a carrot?
Yeah.
Cool. This thing is really cool.
Bite.
I don't think he'll bite.
Bite. He'll eat.
Here, put him back on the floor so we can show how he moves around.
Okay. Hush. 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 You can't touch.
JJ, hold on, let Mama see him. You want to pet him, JJ?
Mama.
No, you let him go by himself. He's Kira. Oh, Kira, do you love him? JJ, are you a little cranky today? You're cranky? Are you want a hamster? Are you a little cranky today? Are you tired of your sister's birthday week? Okay. Well, we love our little hamster. Whoa. Look what they did to the playground today. Okay, love you.